How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get a girlfriend step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So to get a girlfriend, nowadays it's actually way easier than when it was before. When I was dating you guys, which was a very long time ago, I'm almost 33 now. So like 17, 18, 16 years ago, whenever, there weren't that many dating apps. I think there was one or two, and a lot of people, it was like really frowned upon to go on dating sites and stuff like that, on the dating on the internet, right? So a lot of people didn't date on the internet. You usually met people going to events or functions or stuff around your community, or just knowing people that you went to school with and stuff like that. So it was way harder back in the day. It's much easier now, because nowadays you can go on a dating app and just send them a couple of texts, get to know them, and then eventually you can meet up in person and have a girlfriend. Like, it's not difficult to do. So nowadays, if I had to do it, how would you get a girlfriend? The first step, obviously, is to sign up to one of these dating apps. I recommend paying for one. The reason being is because a lot of trolls out there, a lot of people that are going to catfish you, they're going to go on the free ones, right? Because they're not going to, some will pay for the paid ones, but a lot of times they won't. So if you really want to get a girlfriend, I would try some of the paid ones. The second thing is to just text people, try to get a conversation going. Everybody tries all these fancy pickup lines. You just want to ask them questions, get to know them, and see if they have similar interests to you. If you find out, hey, they have a similar interest to me, talk about that interest and get to know them. And basically that is it. So if I were to do it, I would try to find someone that's fitness related, and then I would talk to them about fitness for a bit. Then eventually I would just be like, hey, you want to meet in person? Meet in a public place where there's lots of people around. Don't meet in a very secluded place. That is very dangerous, especially if you're meeting people on the internet. Go to a very public place, and yeah, you can meet them in person, see if you connect. You can have a coffee, you can have lunch with them. If it goes well, you can go for a second date if you want to. That is all there really is to it. A lot of people, though, they won't put in that effort. They won't sign up for the dating app. They won't text the people. You have to do something, because nobody is going to go to your apartment or to your house and knock on your door and be like, hey, you want to be my boyfriend or my girlfriend? That's not going to happen. You have to put in a little bit of effort if you want to get a girlfriend. And another thing, probably 7, 8, 9 out of 10 times, you're not going to have a connection with that person. That's what everyone is mind blown. They think they're going to text 1 or 2 people and find a girlfriend. Most of the times it's going to take a lot to find that girl. So if you text, say, 10 people and nobody replies to you, that's okay. That's normal. Eventually somebody will. You might not have a connection with them, but you keep doing it and eventually you will find someone. I always said to people, there's always somebody for somebody out there. So everyone does have their person. You just have to find them. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.